In this video, we will see how to make 3D models for free using AI. You can see some interesting and fun models that I have generated, and although they are not 100% accurate, they are still good and very fun to generate considering that you can use it completely for free. To use this tool, click on the first link in the description and log in using your email ID. After login, you will see an interface like this. The name of this AI tool is Genie, and you can just provide your prompts here and the 3D models will be generated. The AI tool also recommends some random prompts. Let's try one of these. A mystic armored witch. After typing your prompt, click here on generate and wait for some time.
A few moments later.
You can see that our 3D models are ready. If you don't like the results, just type on retry and the models will be generated again. To view any model, click on it and wait for a few seconds. You can rotate or zoom in and out of your 3D model. If you want to make more variations of the model, just click here on variations and new variations will be generated. Right now, you might not see a lot of difference, but if you zoom in, you will find that each model is unique and different. To download, click here and the model will be downloaded in GLTF format, which is basically a popular format for 3D files. If you want to increase the resolution of your model, you can click here, but this process takes a lot of time. In my case, I have seen that it takes at least 10 to 15 minutes to generate a high resolution model. So, this was how you can generate 3D models for free using this amazing AI tool. I will show some fun models that I have generated. Here is a model made using the prompt, a lion dressed as a pirate, and it looks very accurate. Next, we have a giraffe dressed as a detective. Next is Naruto, and the overall structure is good except the face. You can say the same about Luffy as well. Like when you look at it, you know it's Luffy, but the face is not generated well. We also have a lion, which is probably the best out of all the 3D models that I have generated in terms of its accuracy. You can have a lot of fun trying different prompts. I had a great time using this free AI tool. If you want to know how you can make short form content using AI completely for free, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.